Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building cybersecurity programs with Accenture, full guide step by step clearly. To start building cybersecurity programs with Accenture, begin by assessing your organization's current cybersecurity posture. Evaluate existing policies, procedures, and technologies in place. Identify critical assets and data that need protection. Conduct a risk assessment to understand potential threats and vulnerabilities. Engage stakeholders across the organization for input and alignment. Establish a clear governance framework that outlines roles and responsibilities. Define the scope of your cybersecurity program, including key objectives and deliverables. Formulate a cybersecurity strategy that aligns with business goals. Leverage Accenture's industry expertise to benchmark your cybersecurity practices against peers. Implement a security framework such as NIST or ISO 27001 to guide your efforts. Prioritize areas of improvement based on risk assessment findings. Develop a comprehensive training program for employees to promote cybersecurity awareness. Integrate security into your software development lifecycle to ensure proactive protection. Utilize advanced technologies like AI and machine learning to enhance threat detection capability. Create incident response protocols to prepare for potential security breaches. Establish regular monitoring and reporting mechanisms to track program effectiveness. Iterate and refine your cybersecurity program based on ongoing evaluations and emerging threats. Leverage Accenture's resources and tools to stay updated with the latest cybersecurity trends and innovations. Foster a culture of security throughout the organization to encourage best practices. Maintain open communication with all stakeholders to ensure transparency and collaboration. Review and update your cybersecurity program regularly to adapt to evolving threats and business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.